How y'all doing? This is Sister and Brother Eat, and today we're gonna grill some chicken. All right, the last video I did some baked chicken. I had some things people were saying, especially on seasoning. Now for me, chicken is amazing, but chicken doesn't have no flavor. All right, so for me, I use a lot of seasoning. You can use however much seasoning you want to use in your stuff. For me, first off, I start off with a little bit of mustard to hold it. And you put your seasoning on. Now this is a seasoning mixed with a lot of stuff. You know, I'll give y'all some of the seasoning ingredients when we put the video down, but I can't tell you everything. All right, seasoning, you get your stuff, you gotta incorporate it all.
So the great debate.
Yeah.
Did you wash this chicken?
I washed it. I trimmed some of the fat off, the excess skins and stuff, and I washed it. So for people who don't wash the chicken, yuck. Don't invite me over to the crib. Don't invite me. I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. But for me, you wash the chicken, and then when you clean your area, you use Clorox. Not the regular stuff when you clean. Use Clorox spray. Clean it all. We don't need no E. coli, no none of that. But once you get it all nice and seasoned, it should look like this. When I'm grilling chicken, I use a beer. Corona, whatever you want, Miller Lite. It just keeps the chicken moist and not dried out. You can use whatever beer you want to use. You don't taste the beer, burns off, but it keeps your chicken nice and juicy. And just to let you know how I know you don't taste it, because I don't like beer. Got it seasoned and sitting for a while. The charcoal's out there burning out. I'll let you know, with charcoal, I use Kingsford. You can use any charcoal you want. This is your grilling session. I'm just telling you what I use. But for me, before I put my chicken on the grill, I like to have everything evenly covered. I like to have the skin covered evenly on it, so I don't have to do all that waste heat when I open the grill to put my chicken on. So I lay the skin evenly coated. We got charcoal all burnt. I like the skin side down.
Skin side down?
Yep, like it. Get it nice and crispy. I let it go for about 15 minutes, and then I come spray it.
Right.
It's about, my temp's about 300, 250 where I keep it at. That smoke clear. Give it a nice little spray. Keep that sucker moist. Move some around.
All right, back in 15 more minutes.
Yep.
All right.
It's been about 15.
Next 15. Ooh, looking good. Got those nice grill marks. Love it.
Use mild barbecue and hickory brown sugar. And for me, I like to doctor it up a little bit. A little extra kick, a little hot sauce.
It's good. It doesn't really make it overly hot.
Seasoning I have come over here with a little
That
syrup.
is secret sauce.
My secret sauce. You come over here and get you a nice little chunk of butter. And then you let that simmer. You let that simmer for a little bit. Incorporate everything. Where's my spoon? Excuse me. All of it. Let that butter melt. This is her bubbling. Smell good.
It does.
Turn it off. You can either leave them like this, or me, I like to sauce them up. I've been a sauce guy all my life. I love the sauce. And trust me, you don't need it. But like I said, I've been a sauce guy all my life.
So after you sauce them up, how long do you leave them?
Let it tack up 5 minutes each side.
Okay.
So sauce it up, flip it on one side, let the skin side cook, and flip it back over, let the other part cook. And then we take it off and we eat. So here, flip them over, let that tack up. Hit the other side real quick.
Okay.
Let it tack up. All right, first side tacked. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's how you want it to look. That nice and little charred on it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come here. No, that was a little dark. That's okay. We're going to flavor. Let that cook, and then we done.
All right.
Come off.
All right. All right, here's the final product.
One of these bad boys out of here. Give it a little taste test. Cut like butter. Cut like butter. Hot damn. Hot. Oh, good. Let y'all see that. Damn. I'm cooked. Grill, whatever you want to call it.
That is great.